Hi Techie guys, I'm Nandkishore Swami and today we would be learning about adding Pega Robot Manager to the Pega UI application. So to understand this particular tutorial, we need to first understand how to install the Pega Robot Manager. To understand that, you can certainly watch the part 12 video to install the Pega Robot Manager. And the second thing is we should have a Pega UI already built in. So that you can understand in part 13, wherein I took you through how to create a simple Pega UI. So let's get started now. And I have already started my Pega platform server. Now I'm going to double click to the Pega platform icon here to run our Pega platform. Let it load. So once your Pega platform development studio opens up, you need to just log in with the credential, the application credential which we created in our part 13 video. So the credential was admin at the rate. Sorry guys, my keyboard doesn't work properly. So at the rate nnks.com, that's the credential we created, and the password, then login. So basically, we need to log into the Pega platform using the credential that we created for the particular UI. So basically, we are logged into the UI that we're gonna add the functionality of Pega Robot Manager. So once you are logged into the Pega UI application, you should look at the Launch Web Interface option, and there is no option that called as robot manager. As of now, we just see only the case default, case manager, and case worker. So once you have added your robot manager functionality, you should be able to see one more option that says robot manager. So let's add the robot manager functionality to this application. So to add the robot manager, we should click on the application name. On the top, you should see your application name. Just click on the drop down arrow and choose definition. Once you open up the definition, under the definition, you will see an option that called as add application. And you should see there are two one. One is Pega rules, another one is UI kit. These two should be already being added. Those are the default one. And to add the robot manager functionality, we need to add one more, which is if you press the down arrow or up arrow key, you should be able to see down arrow key, you should be able to see the additional options available. So just choose Pega Robot Automation Console, and similarly in the version section, just again click on down arrow and you should be able to see all the existing versions. So select the latest one, click on save. Now go to your operator icon on the right top corner and select assign group. And in the assign group, again, click on the definition, and under the definition, you will see an option called available portals. So in the available portal, click on add portal, and again, click on down arrow key or press the down arrow key, and you should see another option that says PY robot console. Just double click that and click on save. So basically we need to add these two functionality. One is under the application, definition, and the add application. And that application is Pega Robot Automation Console. And the second one is under the access group. And access group you can open from operator ID, then access group. And under the access group, we need to add available portal, which is PY Robot Console, and just save the changes. Once you save it, you should be able to see one more option under launch web interface. So let's go ahead and just click on the launch web interface, and there we go. We can see one additional option that says robot manager. So click on the robot manager. It should launch your robot manager. It should be a blank at the time when you launch it. So if it is blank, you can click on the setting button on the right top under your operator ID icon. And once you click on this setting, you should be able to see there are two widgets available, and click on the add any of these two and choose which one do you want on your dashboard to be available. So just choose any of these or all of these. Click on add selected. Click on publish. Now you should be able to see whatever you have selected on your desktop dashboard, and you can scroll it bit down and you can see all the other options there. So far we learned how to add the robot manager to your Pega platform UI. And to add the robot manager functionality, we should need to go to the application definition and add Pega robot automation console in the application panel. And similarly, we need to go to the uh, operator ID and access group and need to add PY robot console. Then we can launch the robot manager from launch web interface section. Once you click on the launch button, you should see a blank dashboard usually. If you see it blank, you can click on the setting button in the right top corner under your operator ID icon and choose whatever you want to be displayed on your dashboard, on your robot manager dashboard. So that's it in this tutorial. Thanks for watching. See you in next tutorial. Have a great day ahead. Bye.